Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Smith Coder. So today in this video we'll see today's problem of the day of the GeeksforGeeks. So let's start this problem. Before starting this problem, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe my channel and do like, share this video to all your friends and school coders available in the world. So today's problem is about find the minimum number of laptops required. So let's read this problem, what is the problem statement is saying, and after that try different approaches to solve this problem. So as you can see, there are n jobs and the start and finish time of the jobs are given in the array start and end. As I can see, there are n jobs given, total number of jobs are given as you can see here. The start and end array, both two types of arrays are given, start and end array respectively, that consist of time, end time and start time both. Each job requires only one laptop. Laptops can't be shared, means each job requires only a single laptop and laptops can't be shared among the jobs. Find the minimum number of laptops required given that you can give your laptop to someone else when you're not using that laptop. Basically, when your time is over, you can share it with another partner, but you cannot, when you're using it, you cannot share it. When your end times come, you can share it. So here's an example you can see here. 1 to 3 is the start time of the first job. You can see the first job start time is 1 and the end time is 4. Second job starts at 2 and ends at 4. Third job are 3 and 6. As you can see, the answer is 3. How 3? How? We will see it in the whiteboard. Your task is to form this. Your time consideration will be n log n. Okay. As the constraints are 10 is to 5. N can be 10 is to 5. And start time and end time array can be 10 is to 9. So I can see this is a sorting problem. I can see that it is a sorting problem. So let's go to the whiteboard and understand what the problem is saying and how to solve it. So the whiteboard, you can see I have made a clock type because it is a start time and end time problem. So that's why I have made this. So as you can see, the first example I have taken from this only. This is the first example I have taken to explain you. So as you can see, there are 3 jobs available here. 3 jobs given, sorry. So there are 3 jobs given here. And the start time of the first job is 1 and 4. 2, 4, 3, 6. As you can see, same it is. So according to the clock, if the job starts at 1, first job is starting as 1 p.m. and ending at 4 p.m. Okay, this is a job 1. This is a job 1. I am working in the J1. You can see here I have set it at J1. This is a job 1 range. The job 1 is taking this much time. So here, 1 laptop will be required. Okay. Now we will go to the second one. Second one will start at 2. Second job will start at 2 and end at 4. This is J2. You can see this is the middle of the job starting. This is the second job starting in the middle. So here we will require 2 laptops. And you can see third one starting at 3 p.m. You can see 3 p.m. is starting and ending at 6 p.m. You can see yes, ending at 6 p.m. So this is the third job and this also required a laptop. So answer is 3. You can see here. That's why the answer is coming 3, because you cannot share the laptops among the time that you are working. If your working is over, then you can share it. But when you are working on a job, you cannot share the laptop. If your time is over, then you can share the laptop to another person. So as I can see, if we are in the range, we cannot share the laptop. You have to use another laptop. That means if the end time is greater than the start time of another job, then we have to then we need a extra laptop. So according to that, if we can sort this array, as this array is given in sorted order only, but if not given sorted order, as in this case it is not given in sorted order. In this example, you can see here, if we sorted array and compare the start time of the second job and the end time of the first job, if the start time of the first job is lesser than the end time of the first job, then we required 1 laptop. Okay, so you can see as this is problem given in, you can upload this problem as this only. I can see it is an easy problem. I can consider that. We will start the pointer of I at this position because we are starting another job here, and if it is lesser than the end time of the first job, means we require another laptop. We cannot merge it. It means that another job is starting in middle of the first job. You can see here 2 to 4 starting. We need another laptop. If it was greater, then it means that we require another laptop also. we can use that laptop only. If it was later, we can use that laptop only that the job one was using. So let's code it and see what is synchronicity and different approaches to solve it. Let's code it first. So for coding, I have chosen the language Java. You can choose any language. The code will be almost same for all languages. So first we will take a counter that will count the number of laptops you need. First the counter will be 1 because at least there will be one job only. So counter, we will return the counter. After that, first you have to sort this array as I have said. So arrays.sort in Java there is a function arrays.sort. So we'll sort this first array. Both the arrays will sort. The end time and start time is considered. After sorting this, now we'll take a variable like j that will be at 0 position because of the end time. Now we'll run a for loop. It is equal to 1. From 1 you will start till n I plus plus. Now if start of I, that is the first, you can see here, is lesser than end of j, means it is a overlapping it. We require another laptop, so counter plus plus. Else we will take j second position. This is a basic approach. You will take it to solve this. So you can see this basic approach. I can say we will return a counter here. Let's compile it and see it is working properly or not. First you have sorted the array, and then if it is lesser than the start time of first jobs is lesser than the end time of first job, then we will require a laptop. You can see here it is either okay. I forgot the S of R. It is compiling different approaches. You can see compiling results will, I think, okay. You can see output is coming 3. As we solve this on whiteboard, it is actually the same as that. Let's submit the code and see it is coming properly or not by compiling different test cases. You can see that code is passed successfully. All test cases are passed. I think it is a very simple problem. I think just we have to consider that if the jobs are overlapping, we require another laptop. That's only the case we have to consider in this problem. Not much deep dive into this problem. As you can see, 1 to 4. You can consider this at time also. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. we required one time. We required one laptop. 2 to 4, that is coming overlapping in this first job only. That's why we require second laptop. 3 to 6, it is another job that we required. So it is a third laptop we required. There is another job we required. It is coming between this. You can see 3 and 4. It is coming in this only. That's why we required 3 laptops here. If you consider, you can also try this test case also. You can sort this array, and after that, do the comparison that I have explained. It will definitely come laptop number 1. Only one laptop will be required. So the simple problem I can say, you can see this is the start time, this is end time. Start time, this is start time, both given on the first job. This is the first job, second job, and third job. If n is equal to 3. Second velocity also will be, I think, big of n, because we are running the loop. Big of n time velocity also you can approach different approaches and increase the best time, get the best time complexity of this problem. So this is for this video. Please consider subscribe my channel and do like share this video to all your GFG friends, GFG coders who code daily consistently on this platform.